how can we make the content creation process easier with the help of AI? What tools do we have available today, and how can we actually just make it just easier for all of us here?
Yeah, so I mean, you mentioned one way, which is having a custom GPT. So having an AI trained specifically for a very niche use case. So creating content, creating reels, the captions for the reels, or YouTube script, or like the ones I do in my business are like I use also an AI note taker. So I take that and then automate it so that it takes the conversation and does a brief and scope for the project. And so then I just have to go in and kind of like put in my thoughts or whatever. So you could do that, for example, like the most important thing is giving it the frameworks you want. So give it the examples you want, give it samples of your writing so it understands your tone of voice. So it's very like personal to you. So you can train GPTs, like build them through ChatGPT, custom on your use case. So try to keep it wearing one hat. If you give it too many hats, it's going to dilute the effectiveness. So have one for like, let's say like one for your reels, and then have another for email, because copywriting strategies and structure is different than like a quick like 10-second like TikTok thing. And then another thing you can do is you can leverage like AI tools. So if you do long form content like a YouTube video, and you normally maybe you take that long video and you splice it up into little clips for like TikTok or Instagram, use a tool like Opus Pro and it'll splice it up for you, and now you have content for like short form, and you don't have to edit it. It does the little like really catchy like killer hook strategy with like the captions and the different colors in the captions. The other thing you can do is you can leverage like generative AI. So like, for example, text to image, text to video. So like Runway, if you write a description, it'll do a video for you. If you use tools like DALL-E, you can write a description, it'll create a picture for you. If you really want to get like super fancy, then build a whole workflow and automate your entire content creation process. And you can do things like Canva, for example, like you can bulk upload captions and it'll bulk create the content for you. So if you really want to get super strategic and streamlined, like automate the whole thing, and then leave room for your creative genius, leave room to put your thought leadership piece, leave room to do some impromptu stuff. But you can like really take advantage of the AI tools for video, for captions, for images, yeah, like pretty much everything. And even Canva now has like the AI features. So if it's like an image that maybe it's like the background's bad or something, you could swap it. If the image gets cut short, you can extend it. So I like Canva a lot. I use that one a lot. And I would say also like something I put together, maybe like I could share with you guys. I have like a AI toolkit I have for myself. So whenever I want something quick, like I could just look up in this little spreadsheet I have of like really great AI tools. It was a business I was gonna do, but I didn't go down that path. So this is why I have this stuff. I was gonna do like content education around AI, but I decided to go more like the hardcore techie route, software development. But if you guys wanted, I'd be happy to share it with a group.